Which one are we going to?
2 and 3, he said.
2 and 3.
Because we want to balance the tower.
Yeah.
Which is probably a good idea.
You're gonna sit on the outside, yeah?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. You want us in that one?
2?
It's number 2, okay.
All right, so go 2 here.
It's gonna be so fucking wet. I'm not excited.
Oh, I'm gonna have a wet spot.
Yeah, I just rode it. I'm stoked.
Oh, this is gonna be a water ride.
Hold on, don't move, because now it's right in my butt.
Disney is doing, well, Disney was doing their fireworks about 5 minutes ago.
Oh, that would have been good.
Running at night.
Oh, that's right. Oh, wait a minute. You're still running now? The fireworks?
They were.
Yeah.
I would say still look for them.
Okay.
Still looks pretty cool from up there.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, oh yeah. I've never gotten to the fireworks. I've gotten sunset before.
Outback is clear.
All right.
All right, have a good
Ready
night,
to rock
guys.
and roll, thanks.
Okay.
This is like super tight.
This is going to blur up like
You've never
crazy.
been on this?
Not this one, but I've been mini Starflyers, mini
What
tall
if you
ones.
hold on to the chain? Will that be better for the rain?
Nah. It's going to be a mess.
Just don't kick and push.
No, I just wanted to spin.
You'll get the spins.
That's good.
And it's really stopped kind of raining.
Oh, that's good. Just kind of dripping really fat raindrops.
Oh, that was heavy.
Okay. Oh, this might hurt. Well, hey, it's actually showing up all right.
Yeah.
There you go. Well, tallest Starflyer in the United States.
Yep.
Oh God, it's wet.
Oh,
The rain.
but it's still fun. It's like a water ride.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. We're going 90 degrees.
Oh no!
I was like, go backwards.
We caught the wind. Well, we caught the wind pattern. Wishing you really come true.
All right, I got my shower.
Like, I don't need a shower tonight. I don't need to fully. But it's pretty down there.
Oh, yes, it is.
All the little baby cars. I could see my house from here. Like that. And some of the businesses used to try to paint on their roof
Ah.
so that you could see where you were going.
Oh, that's a tall drop tower, right? The new
Yeah,
one.
that's gonna
The
be
world's tallest drop, or whatever.
yeah, that's still gonna be opening up soon, the world's tallest drop tower. And then you can see the one of the tallest slingshots in the country.
Ah.
Woo!
Oh, that one over there.
That one over there, that's Magical Midwest.
Ah. Wow. Definitely windy tonight.
Oh yeah. But it's nice and relaxing.
Yes, it is.
It's just wet.
It's a little sucky.
Here we go down. Woo! Yeah, we definitely are the only ones spinning.
They have a pretty good lunch package on this.
It's pretty fun.
Nice. Yeah, you stick your legs next to me, spin more.
What? Yeah, no, my dad took me out going on this. But my cousin
Well, these things are definitely relaxing for me.
it is. Once you get over the fear of being held up by chains
Like these tiny little chains.
and the giant cables behind you and in the middle.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So that's
And the
that's
fact that the bar isn't connected to anything.
also we have a backup in the middle. All
But I
right.
love these. They added the statues. They're so cool looking.
Mm.
And then this is the most relaxing part. But the fact that you can still continue a conversation while you're up here is still really fun.
Oh yeah. Wow.
How'd your camera do?
I think it did all right. Still can see the sparkly lights.
Yeah, and it's not even that wet. So, you know, SeaWorld is right there. And then on the other side is Disney.
Ah.
So Disney's that direction.
That way.
Here. And Universal's behind us.
There's Icon.
Yeah.
Or
Been
used
through,
to
like,
be the
multiple
Orlando
nations.
Eye.
The Orlando Eye, the Coca-Cola Eye.
Oh, it's Coca-Cola.
It was for a very short period of time when Coca-Cola owned the complex.
Ah,
And then now it's actually called Icon Park, but it's the wheel at Icon Park.
the wheel.
Wheel. And where they have quick service food underneath is the wheel house.
Ah. But is the aquarium still down there owned by Lego or whatever?
No.
No? Oh, wow.
So Merlin Entertainment
Pulled out?
ran, I think it's still running Madden Tussauds.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Alright guys, welcome back. How was it?
Oh, very good.
Not as wet, but we caught the tailwind.
So we spun a little bit.
Yeah.
Can you move us in the water?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I was like, I need stability.
Oh, did it come up? Okay, not too bad. Thank you very much.
See, we really didn't even get that wet.
Yeah.